Hello all. In this video, we are going to see the topic called linked list. Actually, linked list is a linear data structure which we can store unlimited number of data just with connecting the number of nodes. Actually, when I say the nodes are having the two parts in the linked list. One will be the data, another will be the address. That means what is actually the real time example for linked list means the train. When you are going to train, it is all the coaches are linked with another coach. For example, S1 is linked to the S2, S2 to the S3, S3 to the S4. Likewise, all the coaches in the train are linked with each other. For example, I need to go to the S1 to S2 coach in the train means I have to travel. Then the S1 and S2 has to link with each other. So S2 has the connection of S1, S3 has the connection of S2, S4 has the connection of S3. So only we can travel from S4 or S1 to any other coaches, right? Same thing in the linked list, we are having the data structure like this. That means that all the data are connected with the next data through the one particular part feature is called next address. Okay, so for example, data 1 is connected to the data 2. When the data 2 address will store in the next address of the data 1. Data 3 is connected to the data 2. When the next address is stored, the data 3 address is stored in the data 2. So for example, like this. Now P1, P2, P3 are the data. P1 is connected to P2 because 1001 data address is going to I'm storing in the P1 next features. Okay, obviously P2 will be connected to P3 through the address of P3. Likewise, we are connecting all the nodes. That means we are connecting all the nodes here. One real time example is daily morning we are waking up in the morning. So when we are wake up in the morning, we need alarm. Alarm is the best example for the linked list. Say for an example, I'm mobile alarm application. It will be going to acting as a linked list. How it will be act? For example, obviously we are not going to keep one alarm or two. We are keeping number of alarm to wake up as earlier as possible. So alarm 1 is set at 5:30, alarm 2 is set at 5:45, alarm 3 is set as 6 a.m. So 5:30, for example, when the alarm rings at 5:30, automatically it will link to the next set of alarm is 5:45. So alarm 2 and alarm 3 are linked with each other. Okay, alarm 1 is linked with alarm 2. Alarm 3 is linked with alarm 2. Alarm 1, 2, 3 are there. So first 5:30, for example, first 5:30 alarm rings. When we snooze it, obviously alarm 1 is labeling to the alarm 2. Obviously alarm 2 will be going to ring at the 5:45. Then automatically when it is snooze, automatically our last alarm is at 6 o'clock. Then it will going to ring at the alarm 3. So when we are setting the 3 alarm at a time, each one will be linked as a linked list. That means one can link with the another thing like a next alarm. What is the right next alarm is there? It likewise it will going to store. So this is the overall introduction about the linked list. Thank you.